Good morning, ma'am. I heartily congratulate to both of them. I am here not to ask any questions, but to take a suggestion as my elder brother and sister. I have just entered into this civils world 2 weeks before, so I don't know what to do, what not to do. So what I have to read from the basics and all, I just want to ask this so that I make my base very strong and can go for the next.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you that, that you have come to the right platform. I would say that when one starts the preparation, I think that is one of the phases which is very overwhelming because you just can't figure it out where to start and what to read, and the sheer amount of syllabus that is present. I think that is very frightful for any new aspirant. What I would advise you is that make sure the basic books everyone knows, and I think you can actually Google it and get to know that most of the aspirants they have a very certain specific set of books that they refer to. But try to just give it a shot. Just start reading it casually. Don't just try to understand that you will be able to understand each and every word right from the first reading. It will take a lot of readings for you to get or figure it out what things are and how things are related to each other. What I would advise is that you can start with NCERTs because those are the things which are very basic, especially class 6 and class 7 NCERTs, and that is something which is very easy to actually start the preparation with. So I would suggest start with NCERTs. Don't look into it that you will be able to understand each and everything. Just figure it out, read it like a story or a novel. And once you get a hang of it, once you start reading class 6 and 7 and 8, then you will get a brief gist of what things are. And then when you start reading the basic books, like for example Lakshmikant or Spectrum, then you will understand the nitty-gritties of that subject. And then you'll be, with multiple readings, of course, you'll be able to better yourself and into understanding, and then you'll try to figure it out. So I think that is the advice that I can give you right at this moment.
I think when I started preparing, I took it as one day at a time, one subject at a time approach. So first thing is for the initial day aspirants is to really read newspaper with honesty. Try and understand the national issues. Don't make notes from the very first day that you note down every single detail which is coming on the newspaper. You should first have a general understanding of what is happening in your country or in the world, because that is what you're supposed to do when you get into the services. You need to have a general idea of everything. And then once you get into the vibe of this UPSC thing, just try building your understanding by NCERTs, as sir said. The basic books are the first fundamental which every student must take, because they provide you if a building has a basic so that basic comes from these books. Later on you must pursue the advanced books. Don't go for the advanced books from day one. And also initial days when you start preparing, you'll always have very descriptive notes. I never discourage having long notes. Initial days when I was preparing, I used to note down everything. But eventually with your preparation, that note making needs to be more precise. Because when you are going for the paper on the last day, you would not be reading all those notes which you made on the very first day. Understand that when you started preparing on the very first day, you did not know what all is there in your constitution. But when you're going to appear in the paper, you know about all the general provisions, you've been aware of everything. So then those notes become redundant. So refine with the preparation and don't fret about how I'm going to make notes from the very first day, how I'm going to read the newspaper from the very first day. In the beginning, you need to be more generic and more open to knowledge and understanding, so that you get the basic idea, holistic idea of how to proceed. Slowly you'll learn. This is an organic process of preparation. We also have learned through the process, and this is what is going to happen with you as well. And I wish you all the best.